Hey guys, how are you going? The new model that we're making today is this dog, or husky if you want to be specific, in the sleeping bag. This is a new design that I made up, and I'm really proud with it. It's like one of the most complex models I've made, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Okay, so we're going to start off with some 10-inch origami paper. By the way, I use this type of paper. It's 8 origami paper. Most origamists use this, and I think this paper is actually really good. Okay, so we're starting off with a really hard model. So turn over and valley fold in half. Make sure your creases are very precise. You really want this in like a hard model. Okay. Now we're gonna like do something sort of like folding into thirds. So we're gonna go like this, and then wrap this one around, and then just play around with the folds until they seem like a good fit. Okay, that seems pretty good. Now just do like a little pinch, and then unfold, and unfold again. So, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. So, see this pinch? I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. You wanna fold on this crease onto the pinch mark, all the way across like that. Now turn over, and we're going to fold this edge to this crease, the first crease that we made, like that, and rotate and repeat. So if you turn this over, you can see that this is what I call a Joe Nakashima piece, because Joe Nakashima uses this in his animals quite a few times. So now what we're going to do, fold this point to this point, like that. Now you want to rotate and repeat. So yeah, open and reverse fold in. And then do the same on this side. Alright, so now what we're going to do, turn over, and okay, so this is going to be the sleeping bag part, and this will be the part of the husky or dog. So, we're going to petal fold. We're gonna make this line up with this crease. You won't be able to see it, but another way to do it is just make it line up with this point and this crease right here. Like that. Now unfold, rotate, and repeat. So now you want to valley fold between these 2 points. Kind of hard to see. Okay, now unfold, and now petal folding is going to be fairly difficult. So we're gonna open this up so it's like a boat. Then we're gonna sink the walls of the boat onto the middle crease. So fold them in. This is a hard step. Okay, so as you will notice, it will not lie flat. So we're going to valley fold these to both sides, like that. And then we got this flap. So, I mean, we can collapse it, but it'll be on either side. So what we got to do is we take this point and fold it to this point. So it's like that. And then do the same on this side. And now we want to take this edge and fold it to this crease. I mean, the opposite way around. This crease to this edge. Like that. And now we want to valley fold the mountain fold that we made. Like that. So if you look inside, it'll look like that. And then we want to do the same on the other side. Okay, so now we're gonna fold this edge to this crease. Like that. And then you want to valley fold along the crease like that. This is a lot of steps, one after the other. And then you want to squash down like this. And then now you got this flap in the middle. And now all you have to do is take this edge and fold it to this crease. And then turn over right here. Well, I mean fold over. And then valley fold right here. Then you want to open and squash. Like that. Okay, so wow, that was a hard step. Look, we did all of that. So now we're going to make a petal fold on this. So we're going to take this fold and then we're going to valley fold it to the center line like that. And then same on this side. And then unfold those and then fold this point to the top. And now we're going to squash like that. And then same on the other side. Might want to pull it out a little bit just to make it a bit easier. Okay, now, I forgot what we're gonna do. Oh yeah, right. So, take this edge and fold it to this crease. Like that. And then you want to open, and then fold it to this point, like that. And flatten. Like that. And then you want to do the same on this side. Okay, now we want to do the same on this side, so it's kind of hard to get into. Also with the camera setup I have, like, it doesn't seem like much, but it's actually really hard to get to see the origami. Like, I might do a video about it. So, anyways, fold it, and then fold it to this point. So you get a new flap, flatten it, then do the same on this side. Okay, so let me zoom out because this is crazy. Okay, so now we're gonna work on the legs. So we fold all of these flaps over so we can see this one better. Then we want to fold it to this crease, but not all the way, just to like, I don't know, maybe like right there. And then we want to fold this edge to this crease. Oh yeah, and this point to this point, and do it all the way. Now, fold this edge to this edge. This is kind of tricky to figure out, but once you get it, like, you know how to do it. So, and then do all those folds together, so it's like a fish base. So, if this is already pretty hard for you, then you can keep it like this, or if you want to, like, push it a little bit harder, then what you could do is you open it, and then you squash like that, and then make these mountain folds. Like that. And then just flatten, and then valley fold along this. So yeah, this is going to be the leg. This is going to be like the nose, and these are going to be the ears. So yeah, I like telling you about like what it's going to look like throughout the process, so you know which part's going to be which. So, and then you just do the same on this side. Okay, so now I've done that. Now it's really just about shaping, really. So let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, so now you want to open this, and you want to pull it, and it's like a firecracker until it pops like that, until it's a mountain fold. Then you fold it under, and then let this like naturally make a valley fold on the existing crease. Okay, so we got that one. And look, the flap has disappeared. Now we open this one, we pull till it pops like a Christmas cracker, then valley fold, and valley fold like that. Okay, so now we're gonna shape the feet and not make them like two like spiky little feet. So we're gonna fold this up a little bit, and then you can round this a little bit. There's these kids outside playing. Okay, so, and then valley fold this back up so it's nice and rounded, and then do the same with this flap. So yeah, just round it to your preference. Now, okay, so we got the ears, like that. So now we're going to make the nose, and you've probably realized that the colors have changed. That's because I accidentally did it white side up instead of colored side up. By this time I should have a thing at the start of the video that says colored side up, but if I don't, I'm sorry, you might need to redo this. And so, anyways, the nose, valley fold it down, you know, to your preference. Fold it down a little bit more. Then fold this up a little bit over, and then valley fold this down to this crease. And now we're going to round the tongue a little bit. And now we'll valley fold these points in like that. And then open this up. Now you have the mouth. And okay, and you're pretty much done. Now all you have to do, pull this out, pull this one out as well. Now you pull this back, and then make a fold like this. Wait, here, I'll turn it over. So fold this edge to this crease, like that. Now put this in, and then lock it with the existing crease. I think it's the existing crease. Well, anyways, you just lock it. So like fold the paper over it. I'm sorry, that was hard to see, so I'll try doing that again, more explanatory. So valley fold, open and reverse fold, and then in here, like this little pocket, you want to fold over. So you fold over the flap like that. So it looks like that, and it's locking it. Now, almost done. We fold this down to preference, round it, and there you go. You have your dog in a sleeping bag. So I hope you were able to fold this. If you weren't able to, then you can always try again. And if you like this video, you can subscribe or give a like. And I'll see you next time. Bye.